Hello! Today I'll be showing you what risks are hidden in the chemicals used in the petrochemical industry. Together we will go through the different production steps, from the extraction of crude oil or natural gas to the transformation into various byproducts, such as kerosene or other chemicals that are then used in the production of plastics, for example. Then we will identify the steps that involve corrosive and irritant chemicals, which can cause a chemical lesion in case of projection. It is impossible to detail all the petrochemical processes and establish a complete list of chemical risks in this industry. However, we will try to give you an overview of the main hazards encountered. Please follow me. The petrochemical industry is organized in different stages: extracting the raw material, refining, and transforming it into finished products. First, extraction. It is not part of the operations that present a major chemical risk, so we will focus on the other two steps. Refining is the physical and chemical modification of crude oil and natural gas through a series of highly specialized manufacturing processes. And here is the first major chemical hazard. Before refining, crude oil is desulfurized with acids and caustic soda, corrosive products. Refining is done in two major steps. It starts with distillation, which separates heavy crude oil into lighter groups of hydrocarbons, such as fuel oil or naphtha. It exposes workers to organic solvents. Among these solvents we find toluene, benzene, xylene, but also butanol. These solvents are generally irritants. The second step is cracking. The molecules are broken and combined to create new byproducts. These are destined for the creation of fuels, the gas industry, or other industries such as the plastics industry, which transform them into consumable products. In general, a process called alkylation is used. It uses sulfuric or hydrofluoric acid or potassium hydroxide, a strong base. These three products, used as catalysts, are corrosive. Small side note: hydrofluoric acid presents a very specific risk and is one of the most dangerous products in the industry. Do not hesitate to watch the other Prevor videos to learn about the danger of this product. A second process that can be used is polymerization. This time another aggressive chemical is used, phosphoric acid. These operations are performed at very low temperatures. Refrigeration systems require a coolant, such as ammonia, a corrosive product. Finally, after refining, processing into end products converts some of the distillation fractions into marketable petroleum products. Generally, these molecules will be remodeled. Amines or caustic soda are generally used to complete the transformation, but the techniques are very diverse. The operations that we are going to carry out depend on the end product that we want to produce. Therefore, you may encounter all types of irritant and corrosive substances. Be careful. The chemical risk also exists in many auxiliary activities. The petrochemical industry often uses large quantities of water. Water treatment plants are often incorporated on site. Watch our video on water treatment to learn more. A large number of laboratories attached to petrochemical production carry out controls and process tests. Here also we can find all the chemical products used in the industry. Storage and unloading areas. The main cause of accidents is the transfer of chemicals from one container or tank to another medium. Maintenance. Accidents happen during emptying, cleaning, sanitizing and purging operations. Refineries often have a vast network of pipelines that must be maintained. The main causes of accidents are chemical projections. They occur, for example, when pipes or pressure vessels burst, or when pipes and valves are dismantled. The maintenance of these installations may require welding. Pickling pastes are then used to clean the welds on the pipes. These pastes are generally composed of nitric acid, a corrosive product, and hydrofluoric acid, the dangerous product mentioned before. To summarize, it is difficult to list all the corrosive and irritant products present in this industry. Depending on the desired end product, the use of chemicals can be very diverse. In case of an accident, it is therefore important to have a simple and universal first aid protocol for all the chemicals present on your site. The training of your personnel to these types of risks and the wearing of the appropriate PPE will always be your best ally to avoid an accident involving the projection of a chemical product. However, there is no such thing as zero risk. That's why it's important to have a polyvalent decontamination solution capable of stopping the aggressiveness of all these products. In case of projection with one of these corrosive or irritant products, we recommend the use of the diphenterine solution. For hydrofluoric acid in particular, choose the hexafluorine solution. Do not hesitate to consult our website or contact us by email or by phone. We will gladly give you more information about chemical risks, our products, and their modes of action and operation, so that a possible chemical accident remains an incident. Thank you, and have a nice day. Prevor is a company of researchers who want to bring solutions to their customers to reduce the frequency and severity of chemical accidents through their technological innovations. For that, we provide you with an offer which includes 3 aspects: a range of first aid solutions in case of an accidental eye or skin contact with a chemical product, a range of products that allows you to restore your work areas and equipment following a chemical spill or leak, and finally, we offer you a range of tools to inform, train and advise you on chemical risk prevention. Our mission? To be your partner on the broad topic of chemical risk prevention.